Hi, it's Joanne. So we added this really pretty Lazy Susan to our kitchen countertop. It's decorative and it's functional. We have ours conveniently placed next to the stove so that we can access the spoons, the wooden spoons I have here, or the salt and pepper, or the butter from the butter dish. This one is 12 inches in diameter, but you can get other sizes as well to fit your needs. It has a 360-degree smooth rotation, so it's super easy to spin for easy access to grab whatever it is that you need in that moment. It stays very stable. It's got 4 non-stick skid pads on the bottom, so it doesn't move. I love that it's got this attractive metal railing, so it keeps everything on there. Nothing's going to fall off, and it also adds a little bit of pizzazz to the Lazy Susan. There is no assembly needed. When it comes in the box, it's completely assembled, so you just put it on the counter. I like this for our countertop. I think it's really pretty. It adds a little style, but you could use it for other things. You could put it in the pantry to put spices on it or snacks. You could put drinks on it, maybe have it in the bathroom for essentials or makeup as well. I think it's really attractive. It's functional. It's easy. It goes really well in this space. We love it.